In this video, we are going to show you how to use our drapery calculator in Excel. In this particular example, we're going to open up the Schumacher fabric, scroll down to the dimensions, enter the product width into the correct box, enter the width in inches, 53.5, enter the vertical repeat, 28.375, then you're going to want to enter your window size and widths in inches. So let's pretend that we have a 48-inch wide window. We want the drapery rod to be hung at 97 inches off the ground. Enter the number of panels that you want. Sometimes you just want one panel off to one side, or you want two panels, one on each side. In this particular example, I'm going to show you with two panels. And voila, it automatically shows you how much fabric you need for your non-operable window panels. You'll need 11 yards, 32 carrier rings. Your total rod width will change to 64 inches. It'll indicate that you have your rod is sticking 8 inches past the window on each side. What you want to pay attention to are the dark areas, so the rod width, the yards, and the ring carriers. So this is a non-operable panel, this section, and depending on the width of fabric that you want, feel free to change any of the boxes that are highlighted in gray. Typically I like to use 1.5 widths or 2 widths of fabric for non-operable drapery so that it looks more realistic. It's better than using one panel. You can go ahead and change the ring eyelet spacing. I keep it at 5. Now, if you want to go down to a ripple fold, this section shows a ripple fold window treatment, and your rod needs to be 65.67. You can obviously round up and do 66 inches. The yards, you're going to only need 11 yards again, but you're going to need 38 carriers for a ripple fold. I would check with your manufacturer of your eyelet spacing. Each product is different. Here we're using 4.2 inches apart. And you may or may not want to adjust your percentage of fabric stack. Here we've got 37%. It really depends on how thick your fabric is. If you're lined, if you have blackout lining, you can go ahead and adjust this. Ripple folds, I also keep at 1.875 fullness. It's fine to go ahead and round up to 2. Sometimes that's just easier if you'd like to go ahead and change those numbers. Again, only change the gray highlighted boxes. Don't mess around with any of the boxes that are not highlighted. Now, if you go down to this third section, we've provided you a pinch pleat or a inverted box pleat option. And again, you only need 11 yards. Here you're only going to need 6 carriers or clips, and your rod width is 63. Now you're just going to have to round up for your rod width and have them cut on the side, or have them, it's pretty easy to cut the rods. Or you can just order them, a 64-inch rod, have it custom made. And I guess there you go. I hope you have enjoyed this drapery calculator, and I hope that you download it and it's very helpful for you in your future. Please follow us for more interior design related content. Thank you.